surprise for you.
You got a surprise for me? What is it?
It's me.
It's me. Triple kiss.
Guys, how big is our family now? How are we all gonna fit in here?
Put Manila on your lap.
Can I sit in front of you, buddy? Can you sit on my lap, please? Okay. All right, everyone, squeeze in.
Scooch, 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 scooch.
All right, ready for a roll call?
Yeah.
Roll call, Daddy here.
Not yet.
Oh.
Did you forget how to do roll call?
Yeah, I forgot. Okay. Roll call, Daddy here, Mommy.
Here.
Dorothy.
Here.
Manila.
Here.
Birthday boy.
Yeah.
Okay, guard your face, guard your face. Good. Okay, this one is 1, this one is 2. Okay, 1. Wow! Get this. 1. Wow! Alright, 2. This one. Nice. 2. Nice. Now this one. 1. Wow! 1.
The one is soft.
Boom!
Then do
Guard your
one.
face, guard your face.
Do
Good.
1, 2.
Okay, now 1, 2. Wow! Okay, this one, then this one. Go. 1, 2. Whoa!
What are all the balloons for?
Callie's birthday.
When is it?
Tomorrow.
Yeah. So you're making decorations?
Yeah.
Like it. Doris, how's it coming? What's it gonna say?
Happy birthday, Callie.
Is your birthday boy in here?
Sleepy one.
3-year-old?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Callie. It's your birthday. Oh, wow. Look at that sweet big bug. Happy birthday, baby boy. It's your birthday today. Are you so excited?
How old are you? Yeah.
You want to go give Daddy a birthday hug? Give Daddy a birthday hug.
Oh, thank you, buddy.
Mommy birthday hugs.
Oh, and Dorothy.
Birthday hugs. There we go. That's nice.
Callie, there might be a surprise for you upstairs.
Oh, wow. Look at this. Look what Didi made for you.
Okay, Callie, you ready for your next surprise? It's from Dorothy.
Shoot, this isn't big enough.
What is it?
Wow.
You like it, Callie?
What do you say, Callahan?
Thank you.
Oh, Callie gets the big boy seat. Callie,
He's king of the table.
do you want me to cut up your pancake, buddy?
Yeah.
Okay, coming.
How excited?
Callie, are you so excited?
Yeah.
All right, buddy, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, I'm
Callie,
glad I was there.
nice.
Are your eyes closed? Because they look wide open.
Close your eyes. Close them.
Oh my goodness.
Close them. Close them.
Okay, ready? Okay. Here you go, buddy. Ta-da! Happy birthday, buddy! Wow! Here you go.
Your own helicopter, bud.
You want to get in and try to put it right here? Yeah, it has some buttons. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, so cool. Okay, guys, put out the way.
Bye, Samarasa. Let's all say our favorite thing about Cali. Cali, is that okay with you if we talk about you in front of you? Is that okay?
No.
No. I like when Callie's crazy and funny.
I love it when every morning Callie wants to drink his bottle and snuggle with me.
Oh, I'm so jealous. Cali, how about tomorrow you do Baba and Nuggles with Daddy?
No.
What's your favorite thing about Cali?
He plays with me.
You guys are best buddies. I think my favorite thing about Cali is that he always tells the truth. He can do something pretty naughty, and if I ask him if he did it, he'll say, yeah, I did it. What's your name?
Tan.
And what's your favorite color?
Red.
And what's your favorite animal?
Zebra.
A zebra. And what's your favorite food?
Pizza.
And who's your best friend? Mommy?
Yeah. Me.
Yes.
It's me. No, it's mommy. It's me. No, it's mommy.
It's Daddy?
No, Dad. It's me.
Just probably Manila.
It's me. Mommy.
Thanks, buddy.
Oh, I have a new favorite thing about Cali.
What's that?
Cali, can I tell you something? What is it?
It's me.
It's me.
I got a present for you.
What is it?
It's me.
Okay, we're gonna sing, but no candles, okay?
I want one.
Okay.
Look where he's sitting.
Whoa. You want to try one?
I want the blue one.
Oh boy. What do you think? You love it? Has a basket too.
Yesterday was Cali's 3rd birthday. Oh my goodness, was he excited for his birthday party. When you see just how excited. Can babies happy cry? Can 3-year-olds happy cry? I don't know if that's possible, but I'm telling you, when you see this, we had pulled up to Cali's birthday party and I was like, buddy, this day is for you. Are you ready? And he happy cried.
My friends here.
Your friends are here? Yeah, buddy. This is your birthday party. Should we go in? Hey, have so much fun today. This is your birthday party. It's all about you, okay, buddy?
Okay.
I love you.
I love to.
Oh no, are you sad?
No.
Are you sad or happy?
Happy.
Are you so happy that you're about to cry?
No.
Get him, Mom.
What? Mommy.
What? Wow. No. One, two, three. Woo! Woo! Get her! Yeah! Oh, she won! Get it, Mom, get it.
Get it, Mom.
Get it, Mom.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Vanilla, wrap it in a Victoria's Secret bag?
Yep, she bought it at Victoria's Secret. What is it?
Wow.
Oh, a rescue truck. That's cool. And then look. What's that? You catch it again.
Hitler stash? Chocolate Hitler?
What do you say? Presents? No, him.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Who gives it on Hitler?
You give
Chocolate.
Manila a hug and say thank you. That's super nice, Manila. Oh, okay, okay, bring it over to Cali. Can you open your card? Okay, what is it? What is it? Party. Oh.
Wow.
Hey, say thank you. Wow.
Whoa, buddy.
I got you down.
No, I think that is cool. You want to open this? Say thank you. Callie, did you say thank you?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is it, Callie? What?
Say thank you for my present. There you go.
Oh, I know what that is.
It's a basket for your helicopter.
Callie, do you like it? Oh, I'm so happy.
Wow, Callie.
Is there water?
Say bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Callie.
Happy birthday, Callie.
He's 3 years old. All right.
Okay, time for
Who wants to go turn off the camera?
cake and presents. Go.
Get it, Callie. Get it.
Callie, get it.
Callie, hurry. It's your birthday. Get it. Get it, Callie. Hurry. Push the red dot. The red one.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Callie. Happy birthday to you. Hard, hard, hard. One more. One more.